What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be drawing Yamoto with her devil fruit power. So she's got those sort of fox-like look from episode, what, 10.4.2 or 10.4.1? 10.4.1 maybe. So, three-quarter pose of her, close-up on her face. On a landscape page, use a pencil and an eraser for these and hit pause if we go too fast. We're going to start with her nose, right? Because she's in three-quarter. So we'll go with this sort of L shape, right? So you just go down and in. Right, in her nostril will be here. And at the top, this like curves around for her brow, right? Okay, so it becomes like this sort of Z sort of shape. So across, this is her brow, right? So if you know what her brow is, you know where the eyebrow of the other eye is going to be, right? So we've got these big eyebrows here. And they spiral up and around. And like a frown line here, frown line there. The other eyebrow's here. Now this side is smaller because we're in three-quarter pose. So this eyebrow won't be as big as the other side. That's important to sort of remember. See? Different sort of shape and length to this side. This is the bigger one. Just make this slightly bigger. And we're at an angle. We're going down. See? So then her big eye on this side. So we can see big spike here. Big anime eyes. Right, so I imagine that keeps going around and comes out the other side. And this is a big spike here as well. Okay, and she's got an extra line around here. And then eyelashes all coming off just the bottom here. Her iris, big semicircle coming around this way. It's quite a thick line around the outside, like that. And then there's another, seems like there's another layer in here. And then her pupil. And these look like they're colored with blue, so it's kind of up to you how you do that. Other eye, so we can just see it coming out from the eyebrow here, right? So we go out to a spike. And we bring it back down. And this comes back in around up to the nose, to there, and you want to just thicken this up a little bit. There's another line just coming around here. And eyelashes. Iris. Big sort of circle there. It's quite a thick line again. So I'll just thicken it up a little bit. And then another circle inside here. And our pupil. Just in there. Right, so mouth. So again, frown lines did that. Yeah, okay, mouth. Let's go. So curved line here. She's got these black lips, right? So it's quite a thick line. So it curves around, down. And then the inside of that. So we'll go across. like so. And I'm gonna thicken these up, right? So we're just gonna make them look like sort of black lipstick, I guess, or just black lips in general. So we're just gonna thicken it up. Right, and then her teeth. So we go up, down. Like so. She's got like a scar sort of here and a cut under her eye. There's all blood running down her face as well. So 3/4 pose, right? So her chin, so the the center line for the face kind of curves this way. So the chin will be here. Right, so you're like curved, it's a curved object ahead. So the jaw will go this way. Like that. And on this side we're different, right? So because we're in 3/4. We kind of go in first, curve out for the cheek, back up to the eyebrow. Like so, right? So it's like curved brow, cheek, and then down to the chin. So it's got a couple of bumps. You normally generally curve around the cheek and around the brow. Right, and then I'll draw in some blood just coming out from here. This will be colored red. You could draw it in with red if you wanted. And then she has some scratches around her eyes and stuff. Now remember, if I go too fast for you, just hit that pause button. YouTube is good that way. So back of her neck comes down here. There's some hair just here. Front of her neck, just there. And we've got some like hatching lines just to show some texture of her fur, like so. Top of this, we have her ear coming out this way, right? So it goes, this will go off the top of my page, I think, yeah, that way. And we got an earring here. Golden earring. This will go this way. And we have some of this smoke that's covering some of our body, so we'll have to raise some stuff that it covers. But we'll just keep going with this for the time being. Big ear like that, and then hairlines that go up to the horn as well. So, zigzag lines. You could do that anyway, really. And then our horn here. So we'll go like out and back, right? And then back there. And then we have our hairline at the front, just this zigzag sort of line here. And it goes out and around the other horn at the front here. This will have textures. Just going back this way. This is all hair. The other horn at the front of her head will be sort of growing out of her head here. Maybe you can see the other side of it, but it's mostly hair. There's like a forehead line here as well. So it should go this way, maybe. Hair back there. And then, so her other ear coming out the side of her head here, big pointy sort of rabbit ear or fox, and then earring, just this kind of letter C sort of shape, and then more hair coming down here. It goes behind her shoulder, so we'll just draw in some of the texture lines. And the inside line for her ear. Right, then we got like more hair lines just going back this way. Some coming out, going down her body, behind her body. this way. She's got a golden pin or something here. I can only see one. Okay, so shoulder and details, right? So from her neck, right, we've got this other layer of fur hanging down in the middle. And then her shoulder go out, down, like that. And she has that red line on her costume. An armpit line just there. And then this red line across on her shoulder. So we go real close to this shoulder, so it goes up like that. And another line there. And an armpit line like so. The strap goes down. Most of this is covered by smoke, but we do have like some texture just here, just to show it's furry. Right, so then that smoke, it is optional, obviously, but she's got this sort of thing that like Luffy gets in like Gear 5. This sort of halo of smoke comes around her shoulders, right? It's kind of optional what way you want to do it, really. Right, and you'll erase anything underneath that you shouldn't see, and then she's another part that comes over this shoulder. So again, optional, but we'll do it anyway. Got these spirals in them. Right, and then some hair lines underneath this smoke, some hair texture lines. Right. That is pretty much it. That is how to draw Yamato using her devil fruit form. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.